Hello, dear students. I'd like to invite you once again in this series of mathematics problem solving. Last time we saw the laws of multiplication of exponents, then division of exponents. So today I will give you more examples and the more complicated questions so that you can be able to move on with them when you meet them. Now, for example, you can be given a question like this. Maybe r power 5 times r power 6 over 7 power 7, then times r power 4. Solution. How are you going to solve this? As I told you before, you should check the common base. Therefore here I'm going to have r power 5 times r power 6. Therefore I'm copying here the same number, the same expression, then go on this one. Then here I'm going to have r power 5 plus 6 over 7 power 7 r power 4. Okay, therefore this one can be written also as r power 11 over 7 power 7 over r power 4. Okay, therefore this one also can be written as r power 11 then minus r power 4 minus 4 according to law of division of exponent, then is 7 power 7. Okay, and finally this one can be written as 11 minus 4 is equal to 7 over 7 power 7. By simplifying this one, since they have the common exponent, therefore this one can be written as, with a common exponent, this one can be written as r over 7, then the bracket with the common exponent of 7. Then this is the answer. Another question is, can be another question like this. Find the solution of p power negative 8 times p power negative 9 over p power negative 7 times p power 23, and they can be asked to simplify the expression. Therefore this one can be written as p, copy an expression, times p power times p power negative 9 over p power negative 17 times p power 23. Now this one can be equal to, then according to law of multiplication, therefore it be equal to negative 8 plus negative 1 plus negative 9, therefore negative 8, then plus negative 9 over p power 17. Then this one can be written as 7 then plus 23. It's because they have the common base. Okay, now this one can be written as negative 8 plus negative 9, this one is called negative 17 over p power 17 plus 23 is equal to 40. Now according to the law of division, this one can be written as p power negative 17 then we minus 40. Okay, now this one will be equal to p power negative 57, which is the answer. Okay, now I would like to give you a simple a very basic understanding of negative exponent. Okay, sometimes we call them negative exponent. Now in case if you have given any number with x power negative n, or a number power negative number power negative exponent, this one is the same as if you have written x power n. Okay, what I mean is, if you have given 2 power negative 1 or power negative 10, this is the same as if you have written a 2 power 10. Okay, or 3 power 60 negative, this one can be written as 1 power 6. Okay, so it sometimes can be given the number maybe 1 over 4 power 2 and write to negative exponent. So for negative exponent, this one will be equal to 4 power negative 2, or or if you have given 1 over b power 6, this one can be written as b power negative 6. So it is a very important part for you to understand, because sometimes can make them and can be exchanged as you wish. Now I'd like to give you another example, and you might be told to write the answer into positive exponent. Now show me I've given this question. Should I have given this question? Should I have given this question? B power 9 times D power 2 over D power 4 times D power 9. Now solution. Now D power 9 times D squared. This one can be equal to D power 4 times D power 9. Now this one can be equal to D power 9 plus 2 over D power 6 plus 9. Okay. Now this one will be equal to D power 11 over D power 15. Okay. Then this one will be equal to D power 11 minus 15. Okay. Now the answer will be equal to D. 11 minus 15 is equal to negative 4. So into positive exponent, this one can be equal to D power 4. That is the answer. Okay. I'd like to give you the last example or the last question and how you can solve it. For example, if I've given a question like this, if I've given this question, maybe m power 5 and the n power 5 over m power 3, then n power 6. Now find the solution. Okay, then you copy an expression which is m power 5, then n power 5 over m power 3, then n power 6. This one can be written as, just combine the like terms, then this one will be equal to m power 5 over m power 3, then times n power 5 over n power 6. Okay, now this one can be now written as m power 5 minus 3, then times n power 5 minus 6. Now this one will be equal to m 5 minus 3 is 2, then times n 5 minus 6 is equal to negative 1. So by writing into possible exponent, this one can be 2m 2 over n, and then not any number power 1 is equal to that number. For example, if you have given 2 power 1, 2 power 1, this one is equal to 2. So for that case, n power 1 is equal to n. Also, any number raised to 0 is always 1. For example, if you be given equals to 0, 2 power 0, this one will be equal to 1. Or any power 0, for example, this one is equal to 9. So these are the very important concepts you'll be using when you are on the mathematics operations. From there, I like to end there, but see you next time where I'll be proceeding with radicals and the other more complicated questions based on the exponents and the especially on division and the multiplication. See you next time. Bye.